We are going to make an elephant head using leaves of different sizes, and indeed, it is going to be really different. Start by pasting 2 rounded green leaves in a V shape. Now apply more adhesive and paste an elongated leaf at the center of the round leaves. Paste 2 broad grass blades side by side below the elongated leaf. Also, paste 2 brown leaves with their stalk on the sides and one on the top of the forehead. Similarly, paste 3 rose leaves on the trunk and 2 leaves, one at each side of the trunk, to make jewelry for the ears. Now, take 2 rose leaves, apply some adhesive and paste them on the central leaf to make eye patches. Finally, apply more adhesive and paste a leaf with its stalk at the base of the trunk. Draw 2 eyes on a piece of paper and use your scissors to cut out these eyes. Finally, apply adhesive and paste these eyes on the eye patches. This way, your leafy elephant is complete.